Our judicial system these days proactively engaging in controlling and maintaining COVID-19. Our Supreme Court here make suggestions to central government about what is your preparation for COVID-19 third wave, which is supposed to be coming early. So here is Supreme Court make suggestions to the central government that to make sure allocation of oxygen to every hospitals across the country, to make sure availability of oxygen to save lives, and also make oxygen audit in scientific manner to ensure ICU and non-ICU patients are getting fair amount of oxygen, and also ensure buffer stock. With this, central government should take care of essential commodities of buffer stock to ensure livelihood of people. Here in this article, Supreme Court upheld the media rights of freedom of speech and expression. In this case, Election Commission entered the made plea against Madras High Court about its oral remarks. Madras High Court recently made oral remarks on against Central Election Commission about its COVID about its involving elections which caused to spread COVID-19 which caused more loss of lives. Madras High Court orally said that Election Commission can held as a murderer. It's a oral remark which was supposed to be reported by media. With these media reports, Election Commission went to Supreme Court against media to restrain media reports from oral remarks. In this case, Supreme Court told the Election Commission that real-time reporting of court proceedings, including oral remarks of judges and lawyers, is a part of freedom of speech and expression. So we cannot restrain media reports. Means technology development is a cause of celebration rather than apprehension, because technology giving on time or real time information to the general public. Here general public also means citizens also have rights to speech and expression, freedom of speech and expression under article 19. They have rights to access to the court proceedings. It's also referred, Supreme Court also referred Gujarat High Court a live streaming of its proceedings. In this way, we can maintain an open court system and maintain accountability and transparency in court proceedings. Supreme Court again tells that Madras High Court is issued using language in proper way. It's also mentioned that judicial system language both on the bench in judgments must comport with judicial propriety. Language is an important instrument of judicial process which is sensitive to constitutional values mentioned by Supreme Court. RBI gave an helping hand to the healthcare sector companies and pharmaceuticals, which extended 50,000 crore rupees to these sectors to get restructuring their economical tools to make sure producing more and more healthcare products. in this time of COVID-19. It's not only gave to the assistance to healthcare companies, it's pharmaceuticals, it's also gave the more leverage to small businesses. It means MSMEs and small business owners up to the 25 crore. In this case, it's providing the resolution framework 2.0. In this case, it's gave the more time to get resolution. It's on the only on the condition of those who are get restructured assistance or earlier they are not considered in this time of resolution framework 2.0. It's only condition it's made. Here, RBI moved to help firms with weaker credit profile, CRESIL. What RBI step was given helping hand to the companies or small businesses under Resolution Framework 2.0. CRISIL, it is an Indian rating agency, credit rating agency, which said that half of companies are not maintaining standard accounts, which are also going to get assistance from this under Resolution Framework 2.0. It will going to be a uh, it will going to be a financial drawbacks for the country, and it's also going to be misuse of funds according to crises.